use crypto flow bots to avoid scams, to avoid Ponzi schemes. Hey everybody, welcome back once again to Crypto Income Daily channel. I wanted to give you a quick update reason why you may want to start using crypto flow bot right away. Now, crypto flow bot is an automated AI powered crypto trading bot that trades on futures markets and trade on sports market, meaning whether market is going up or down, it is trading. And it also trades on stocks, it trades on essential commodities, it trades on indices. So it trades on Tesla, it trades on what? Meta, a whole lot of stuff. Oil, gold, essential commodities, this same bot. Okay. Now, why am I saying you may want to start using crypto flow bots to stay away from scams and Ponzi schemes? Well, if you're someone who is tired of losing your hard-earned money to Ponzi schemes and scams platforms like myself, you may want to take a look at crypto flow bot. Now, before I actually give my own reason why I think crypto flow bots, you can use it to save yourself from Ponzi schemes and scams. A quick risk disclaimer. This video is not intended to be used for financial advice. I am never a financial advisor, neither am I making income claims. One thing you should understand first is that crypto trading comes with risk. Why? Because cryptocurrency prices, they fluctuate very fast. They go up and down very, very fast, and you have to take note of that. Also, one thing you should remember is that past performance does not guarantee what? Future performance. And also, your capital, your strategy, and your level of patience will determine how much you can make trading with crypto, for that matter, crypto flow bot. Now, back to the main topic of the day. Avoid Ponzi schemes, avoid scams using crypto flow bot. Now, if you are someone like me who has been trying to make money in the online space through crypto trading or whatsoever in the online space, you might have what? Experienced a couple of scams, a couple of what? Losses here and there. Yes. So don't give up if you have experienced those sort of things. What is the main cause of scams in the online space? The main cause of scams in the online space has to do with the fact that for any of those, all the platforms, I would say even 100% of those scams, those Ponzi schemes that scammed us, had to do with the fact that we have to send our money to those platforms. Okay? What do? They ask you to withdraw your money, send it to their platform. They guarantee you a fixed ROI, a fixed return on investment on daily basis or monthly basis. Maybe they will say, hey, we are doing trading. We are doing this. We are doing that. We guarantee you every day, if you invest with us every day, you're going to earn 0.5% on your capital. You're going to earn 1%. You're going to earn 2% every day. It's guaranteed. Every month, you're going to earn what? 30%. You're going to earn 60%. You're going to earn 100% every month. They guarantee you. Now, the question is there anyone or any bot that can control the crypto market or the forex market or whatsoever? No, it's not possible. Market is not stable. It goes up and down very, very frequently. So therefore, if anybody tells you that they are trading and they want you to send them your money for them to be trading for you and be paying you a guaranteed return on investment, it's simply a scam. And also, one thing I always make clear is that for any platform that has asked you that you have to invest in by first of all withdrawing your money from your Binance, from your Bybit, from your whatever wallet you have it, you withdraw it from there and send it to their platform, their website. You log in, withdraw your money, send it there with the mindset that they are going to be making you money. The moment you withdraw the money from your wallet and send it to them, you have lost the money. Just have that in your mind that that money is lost. Why? Because once you have sent it away to them, they are now in control. They are in custody of your capital. You are no longer in control. The so-called guaranteed ROI they give you daily is not sustainable. I would say even 100% of those scams, that those platforms that pay you that fixed ROI daily, they are robbing Peter to pay Paul. Those that come early, they are paid, their profit, they are paid from those the monies of those that also come after them. It's a cycle. They keep repeating it. Otherwise known as a rob Peter to pay Paul. So, withdrawing your money and sending it to any platform, that is the start of the scam. What happens? You have all experienced it. You bear with me. Once they hold it, you cannot withdraw the money again. That same day, you cannot take it out. They give conditions. It's after 90 days, after 50 days, after 180 days, you can get your capital out. Your capital will be locked for 1 month. It will be locked for 180 days. It will be locked for 90 days. Those things, don't get me wrong, it's not everything that locks your capital that is scam. We have DeFi, staking, or other things that are really very powerful, real. But most of the scams, you send the money to them and they are trading for you. What happens? When new members stop coming, then they change the rule. The referral structure, the compensation structure, they set the rule for you. If you're not able to meet it, then you can't earn again from your team. And the painful thing is that most of these platforms we join, they pay very high referral commissions, okay? So they pay very high referral commissions to entice you to refer more people. Maybe they pay you when your people deposit, they give you a percentage like 10%, 15%. They say when they trade your team, you are earning 20%, you are earning up to 20 levels deep, this and that. All those are things that will entice you. You also know if you refer people, they will come. And the painful thing is that you start introducing your people, they start coming and they are joining, they are making money within maybe the first few weeks. Before you realize, a time comes, new people are no longer coming, then they start coming out with excuses. Hey, site maintenance, this and that. We were attacked. Then that's where the stories begin. Before you realize, they are gone with your money. Some you can log in, but the money is gone. You make withdrawal, it is pending forever. Some even the site is gone. You can no longer access it. Once you can't access it, your money is gone. Guys, if it comes to some of those things I have experienced them, I have lost heavily. So I'm just saying, if you are tired of those scams, if you are tired of sending your money to platforms to trade for you, and in the end they scam you, then Crypto Flowbot might be of help. Okay? Why am I recommending Crypto Flowbot? Crypto Flowbot is an automated AI-powered crypto trading bot that automates your trading experience. Like I said, it trades on spot market and trades on what? Futures market, and also trades on stocks, commodities, and indices, okay, for you. You don't need to have any experience of how to trade. The number one good news I have is that you can really trade. You can grow your assets passively without withdrawing your money, without your money leaving your wallet, without your money leaving your exchange. Yes, you can grow your assets passively without sending your money to any platform. Why? How? You simply hold your assets, your USDTO, in your Binance, in your Bybit, in your OKX, or whatever exchange you use, and you bind the Crypto Flow bot to the exchange. For example, Binance, via API, binding, application programming interface. You enable reading, you enable trading, but you don't enable withdrawals. This bot simply trades for you, but it can never withdraw your money. So 100% security of your funds. You never have to worry that as I'm going to bed, hey, what tomorrow if I wake up and the site is gone? Nothing like that. Yes, and that is it. It's as simple as that. And now, remember, like I said, past performance does not guarantee future performance or results. However, if you are really tired, sick and tired of being scammed over and over again, I think Crypto Flowbot will bring an end to that. Some of us, we have really lost a lot of good business partners, good investors. We have lost the trust of a lot of them because we have led them into platforms that scammed them, even including ourselves in the past. All was just we were just determined to make money, and we also saw those opportunities, and we thought they could help, so we invited our friends. Now they have lost. Most of them, they have thought we are really responsible for that. If you ever lost money by following me into an opportunity in the past, I'm sorry for that. It wasn't my intention for you to introduce you for you to come and make a loss. I'm sure some of them, we have lost them forever. They will never come, no matter how perfect the opportunity we have at hand is. However, I am sharing this Crypto Flowbot with the hope that maybe the few 5% to maybe 8% of my friends that still trust me or that have good faith in me or that want to give this another trial, and I'm sharing so they could benefit. Those who forget their past, their dreadful experiences, and want to give this a trial, I am very much hopeful they are actually going to thank themselves and they will thank me in the future, like the way I am saying thank you every day to my sponsor who introduced me to Crypto Flowbot. Now, crypto, let me just tell you something very fast before you get started with crypto flowbot in case you are interested. These are some of the things to take note of. Crypto flowbot, it does not promise what? A guaranteed fixed return on investment daily or monthly. Okay? The amount of money you make will depend on the market. The market moves up and down. Sometimes, in fact, it fluctuates very fast and it fluctuates a lot, and that's what creates more opportunities for the bot to close trades and make you profit. Okay, sometimes the market doesn't fluctuate a lot, it is undecided, it's just ranging, it's not going up or down, it's just ranging. When this happens, you just have to wait, be patient, and allow the bot to trade for you. The bot enters trades 24/7. It has no emotions, it doesn't get tired. Okay, and it does smart money concept analysis of every coin before it gets into the trade. Remember here, unlike other bots where they are very manual, like Royal Q, which was like 99% manual, you have to do this analysis. You have to select your own coins to trade with. You have to put in the stop loss. You have to tell what the first entry, second entry, third entry, configuration settings, though so manual and cumbersome. Nothing of that sort here. This bot is so smart and intelligent that it is able to do analysis and of the market. It selects the coins. We have thousands and thousands of coins out there in the crypto space, but this, it has screened them to 300 coins and even below that. Like if you're using automated trading, we have some of the strategies. Like we have something we call the full auto futures, and we have the steady mode. A total of 63 coins currently are what are available for the bot to trade. And before it enters any of the trade as well, for every 10 coins that it decides to trade and analyzes, every 10 coins out of the 63 total coins, 1 to 2 coins are always eligible for automation. So it doesn't just trade crazy meme coins, it doesn't trade fresh coins, it trades coins that are very solid, that can never get you liquidated, or that cannot pump and dump crazily. It doesn't trade any crazy meme coins out there. So capital reserves, capital protection, and risk management are its key things here. Okay, so it's going to be doing a lot to protect your capital, but putting in dollar cost averaging for every trade it enters. Even if you ask it to put a maximum of what, $200 or $1,000 into each coin, it's not going to put all the capital at once into the trade. It starts with just what we call DCA, dollar cost averaging. First, it will enter with 15% of that amount you have asked it to put into your coin. If the market is going against you, it will then enter with another 15%. If still market is going against you, it enters with 30%. Then before it then enters with what? 40%. By this, it matter what? Been bringing what? Your average price to the current market price so that you can easily what? Float into profit and it will close trades for you. And every single trade that this bot places for you, it has put in a stop loss for it. It take profit 1, take profit 2, and take profit 3. And you can never be liquidated because of this tighter or risk management measures that are put in place. So zero liquidation, that is another thing here, guys. I'm not doing a full-fledged presentation. I'm just sharing with you the way you can easily avoid Ponzi schemes by making use of crypto flowbot. Now, crypto flowbot is like a professional trader you have hired for you. It will trade for you for 12 months, 1 whole year, for just 120 USD activation. Okay? Yes, it is a software. You activate it for a whole year. It can trade with a capital of minimum of $50 for you. It can trade on no maximum amount. It can trade with $1,000, $10,000, $100,000, $1 million. It can trade on that capital. No further charges. And you know what? It is fully automated. You don't need to do anything. The bot just handles everything for you. But they also provide signals at the same time inside the same crypto flow bot. For those who don't want to wait for only the bot to be trading for you, you can also place signals. They have got high converting win rate signals. That's over 80% so far win rate. And you can simply just go the coins every now and then. In fact, we have notifications on our crypto flow bot tab. Notifications, new signals are being dropped. New signals are being dropped. You just go and then enter them. You can enter them with your extra funds you have. This is optional. You don't need to trade signals. But I'm just telling you, instead of you going to be paying for money to trade signals, which may even make you lose all your capital, crypto flow bot still even provides you with high converting premium signals that you can even enter and trade. and the bot will take over. It will close the trades. It will take profit for you, everything. Okay, just like a click of like 2 to 3 buttons, and you have entered a signal, and the bot will take over. They have got and even they have got several strategies inside there. We have the complete auto mode, we have the steady mode, and we have the short flow. The short flow is the current what? The hottest strategy that everyone is talking about. It is automated. The bot just shorts only the market, only shorts coins that go up, 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 up. It short them away. When they start coming down in prices, then it start what? Raking in profit. You know, it's very natural. Whatever goes up must come down. That's what it's doing here. So it's really a powerful strategy. But that one you need a capital, a minimum of $1,000 reasonable to make reasonable money there. So there are other strategies you can start with even as low as $50 trading capital. Okay. So in total, a minimum total of $180 can get you started. It's inclusive of the bot activation fee of 120 USDT, then the minimum gas fuel of $10, and then the minimum trading capital of what, $50. That's $180 in total. But capital is king. The bigger the capital, the bigger the profit. Yes, it's natural rule of trading, whether in forex trading, whether in indices trading, whether in stocks or crypto trading, capital is king. We have seen some people trading with $100, some with $50, some trading with what, $80,000, some are trading with $100,000. Yes, more than that. And we've seen the results, crazy results. Again, the bot does not guarantee what, profit or fixed profit every day. No, there are some days it will not even trade because it has entered trades, but they are not in profit and it will not close them yet. So it can close trades multiple times a day, multiple times in a minute, multiple times in an hour, multiple times in a day, multiple times in a week, depending on the market movement. Okay. So averagely, but from track record in the past history of the 4 months and plus that it has done, it's generating around 10% to 30% profit based on your capital on monthly basis. Again, nothing is guaranteed. These are just past results, and it does not guarantee future results. But hey, if you can produce you 5% to 15% a month, I think it's still a game changer. So that is it, guys. If you want to stay away from Ponzi schemes, you want to stay away from scams, if you want to grow your assets without withdrawing your money, without sending your money to any platform, you want to come out and check out Crypto Flow Bot, guys. It is currently the hottest cake on the internet as far as non-custodial trading is concerned. You are not sending your money to the bot. It is in your full control, in your Binance, your Bybit, your OKX, your BlinkX, whatever exchange account, and you are in control. Anytime you want, you are free to exit. You can disconnect the bot, you can shut it down, you can take your capital out. Simple. So no more scams, no more Ponzi schemes. Start using Crypto Flow Bot to see how it may benefit you. Check in the comment section below this video. Go through the links. Our WhatsApp group and the Telegram group links are there. You can join, come and ask your questions. We have the vibrant team. Our grand upline is already the first V6 already, and he's very good at it. He's provided us with trainings from Mondays to Saturdays, guys, mornings and evenings. So we have a very solid team that you will never regret joining. Okay? Thank you so much. This is it here I wanted to share with you. Crypto Flow Bot, you can use it to stay away from scams. Thank you so much.